And welcome back in. We have a look at Tyler right now with our Plaza Tower Skyview camera brought to you by the Tyler Neurosurgical Associates. And we may as well call this the calm before the storm. We have some breaks in the cloud cover, the sun trying to peek through right now, but we are going to see conditions go downhill as we head throughout the day today. 75 degrees is the current temperature. Winds are at 6 miles per hour, but of course winds are going to pick up as we head into this afternoon. Currently we have one moderate to heavier rain band moving into parts of Trinity and southern Angelina County. As the rain picks up, the winds are going to start to pick up as well, but it should be another couple of hours before we start to see tropical storm force wind gusts out in parts of our area. But Hurricane Beryl continues to lift off to the north and east here as we head throughout the morning hours. Some flooding concerns, nearly 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts reported right now in the Houston area. So a very strong wind system here moving northward. And now that it is over land, it is going to be weakening here in terms of the wind, but not so much in terms of the rainfall. Now here's what Futurecast has going into the rest of the day today. You can see by 10 a.m. we're starting to see the rain really pick up out in parts of Houston, Trinity, and Angelina counties. That's where we will start to have the tropical storm force wind gusts 40 to 50 miles per hour and maybe up to 60 miles per hour in isolated instances out in deep East Texas. We are going to see by noon very heavy rain and thunderstorms continuing to move through deep East Texas. It's the late morning and early afternoon in deep East Texas where we see the greatest chance of some flash flooding. But as we head into the afternoon hours, notice the showers and storms, especially on the northeast side of this system, start to break away from the main center of circulation and become a bit more isolated in nature. It's these afternoon thunderstorms on the outer bands of Hurricane Beryl, which at this point would be a tropical storm, where we have the greatest chance of seeing a spin-up tornado or two. So that's also something we'll be having to watch for. You can see again more isolated activity through 4 p.m. But near the circulation, winds are picking up in, say, Tyler, Jacksonville, and Gilmer, and the rain is going to be quite heavy here at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then by 6 p.m., the heavy rain continues along the Interstate 20 corridor. So this is going to be 1 to 2 inches an hour of rain for a couple of hours here, and that could dump a quick 4 to 8 inches of rain across the area, which can easily result in some flooding concerns. By 8 p.m., the heaviest of the rain starts to lift north of Interstate 20 and Interstate 30. You'll be getting some of the heaviest of the rain through the early part of the evening. By 10 o'clock Monday night, showers and storms will still be out there, mainly along the Interstate 30 corridor. And then we're finally going to see conditions improve from south to north as we head throughout the late night hours. And by Tuesday morning, the heavy rain is well off to our north, and we're starting out dry for your day on Tuesday, with even some sunshine possible as we head into the afternoon. Tornado probability is also highest, again, like I said, in our easternmost areas where we saw those outer bands with the more isolated activity. So that is something we'll be watching for this afternoon. We've got about a 10% chance of seeing a tornado on our Monday in the yellow shaded area. That's where we have the greatest tornado risk. So make sure to stay weather aware and know where your tornado safe place is well ahead of any storms, because again, these storms have a tendency to spin up a tornado quickly in tropical systems. So make sure to have multiple ways of receiving weather alerts. You can scan that QR code at the top right of your screen to get access to the East Texas Storm Team app. After Beryl leaves the area, we'll slowly warm up through the weekend with an additional chance of isolated storms on Saturday. For deep East Texas, we still have the heavy rain, but it's even windier for deep East Texas. You can see a sustained wind topping out around 45 miles per hour for our day today. And then we will see, after Beryl leaves, dry conditions through Wednesday with more showers and storms returning as we head into the weekend. So